Hello everyone, I decided to whip out my camera and just start vlogging. It's currently Friday the 29th and it's about 4:30. I just got home from college. I had coffee with my friend and I got home and decided that I'm going to kind of clean out my wardrobe. By that I mean put away all like jumpers and woolly things and put them away like under my bed, because I know I won't wear them anymore, or at least I won't wear most of them because it's getting warm outside, and they're just kind of annoying me. So I decided to kind of turn the camera on because I know so many people love watching like decluttering videos and cleaning videos. So yeah, this is what the video will be. So I'm gonna pop you down somewhere and just start cleaning. I feel like I would like to take everything out of my wardrobe and just start again. I love doing that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you around like a before first and then I'll get into it. Here are my wardrobes. This one looks like this. It's not actually that bad. Like, that's fairly clean. I'm not a fan of this area, and half of the things in there I don't actually wear, so I might throw some of the things out, and then that's just like random bits. But yeah, this side isn't bad at all. This is just out of place. And then this is what I'm talking about. It just feels and looks like it's really cluttered, and as you can see I have like warmer stuff here that I probably will not wear anymore. So I'm going to go through this and I'm gonna take everything out onto the bed. That's gonna be fun. Right, I'm gonna pop you down here and we'll see what happens. Is all empty now, and I'm just going to polish this because there's a ton of dust everywhere. Spring cleaning. So this is the current situation. This is everything that was at the bottom of my wardrobe. I mean, mess. And then this is everything in my wardrobe. I'm aware that the sun is really blinding everything. But yeah. So let's try and sort this out. Where do I start? I'm kind of just like standing here. I don't know where to start. I guess I'm gonna tackle the pile first. Yeah, good idea. I'm gonna have a look in these boxes because I feel like they're all empty. Yep, they are indeed. So I don't need empty boxes. Shoes, and more shoes. Shoes. This is an empty box. I don't need that either. I'm gonna make like a rubbish pile. This can get thrown out. That's my tripod. I have so many water bottles and like things like that. don't know why I keep them all. So many. Gym bag. I mean, boxes that I don't even use anymore. They can go. I love keeping things. I don't know if you realized already, but I love to keep things. There's some old photos. Cute. Okay. I was gonna throw that calendar out because the cats weren't eating it anyway, but I think she's enjoying it. She's like, please don't take it. I've been putting things back in there. So there's some like summer shoes in there. And now I'm gonna tackle the rest. I feel like I'm gonna put away the jumpers that I'm not gonna wear. I'm gonna put those away. So I feel like I got rid of the jumpers that I'm not going to wear. So there's loads there. And I'm going to try and put them either in these like cubes, or I have like underbed storage that I'm going to put them into. Now I'm also going to kind of divide these clothes into piles. So like I used to have it like pink jumpers, trousers and things like that. So here are all the things that I'm getting rid of. There's like jumpers. There's a denim jacket that I still, like it still has the tags on them, but I didn't use. There's this dress that still has tags, but I don't want it. Some shoes, another dress, another jacket. This like grey top. More dresses that I never wear. This bag from Body Shop or something that I got like as free. And then some like little tops and leggings and a black skater skirt and this jumper and this jumper and this top and some shoes and then these shoes. So yeah, I think that was successful. I'm gonna show you the after, because I didn't. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the bottom is a lot tidier than it used to be. I just have shoes and random bits like that. Then here I have shoes, trousers and cardigans, a couple of stripy jumpers, some more jumpers here, more jumpers here, and then these are two like cardigans and these are two jumpers that I love. So I'm leaving these for like when it gets really, really cold. And then I just have a couple of things hanging here, some jackets jumpers. Then there's some tops that I have ironed and that will wear over the next couple of days. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know I haven't been uploading at all for ages, but I have officially 2 weeks left in college. And it's really, really exciting, but also really scary. So I hope to be back soon. I'm actually going to film a misguided haul and a nasty gal haul in a second. So that'll be another video to look out for. So yeah, I hope you have a lovely day whenever you're watching this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!